Hi, hello, my name is Sofia Alessandrini and welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm a writer, I am an author, yes, and I am a blogger. There are 11 types and subtypes of series I found for you. Today, we will talk about our next subtype, number 10, recurring theme. Let's begin with the basics. A recurring theme is an idea and a statement about the human condition. It presents itself more than once in a genre, a book, or a book series, or an entire culture. Many works of literature share common themes and central ideas. As a literary device, theme allows the author to present and reveal all aspects of human nature and the human condition. This enhances the enjoyment and significance of a literary work for readers by encouraging thought, interpretation, and analysis. To identify the theme, be sure you would be first identify with the story plot. The way the story uses characterization and the primary conflict in the story. Discovery and analysis of a theme is also one of the primary reasons that readers return to classic literary works that are centuries old. There is no end or expiration to the significance and impact theme that can have on readers of literature. Themes are often subject to the reader's perception and interpretation. This means that readers may find primary and or secondary themes in a work of literature that the author didn't intend to convey. Therefore, theme allows for literature to remain meaningful, living works that can be revisited and analyzed in perpetuity by many readers at once or by a single reader across time. Let me give you one of my favorite examples, William Shakespeare's well-known tragedy, Romeo and Juliet. Yes, it has been performed and read countless times and by countless people since its publication in 1597. Even those who have not directly heard or read the lines of this play are familiar with the potentially devastating effects of the power of romantic love, of course. But to speak of theme, one must know the difference between theme and subject matter. And it's sometimes difficult to determine the difference between these two. They are both closely related. However, the subject matter is the topic that is openly and overtly addressed and presented by the writer, whereas the theme is the meaning or underlying message that is imparted through the writing. Subject matter of a written work is what the text is about, and is typically clearly indicated by the writer. The theme of a literary work reflects why it was written and what the author hopes to convey on a deeper level to the reader without direct statements. A reader may infer and a writer may imply a theme within a literary work. However, the subject matter of a literary work is not inferred by the reader or implied by the writer. It is openly stated and understood. For example, Romeo and Juliet certainly features several themes, but the one that calls my attention is the power of romantic love and the futility of others to stop it. The subject matter is almost exclusively related to the foundational elements of the story, such as what happens and to which characters. The theme, in contrast, is the lingering meaning and thought left to the reader, as a means of reaching a greater understanding of the play itself and the larger concept of love. A universal theme is an idea that applies to anyone regardless of cultural differences or geographic location. Universal themes are ways to connect ideas across all disciplines. It is a central idea about the human condition, also a generalization about life or human nature or about human concerns. Of course, theme is an essential literary device in terms of written works. However, nearly all works of art, namely music, painting, sculpture, etc., feature theme as an underlying meaning to be understood and interpreted by the audience. Some common universal themes found in literature may include redemption, mortality, human versus nature, good versus evil, power, isolation, revenge, courage and perseverance, a quest, individual struggle towards a personal goal, individual versus society, falling in love, life cycles, karma, faith versus doubt, chaos versus order, gender roles, coping with tragedy, adolescence, coming of age, and perhaps discovering the world around us. And our last one, my friends, yes, number 11. So let's talk now about open-ended books or book series. These type of books are the ones with no resolution and no end. I know, my friends. Each individual story arc in this category is short-term. Some open-ended stories are situational, while others are character-based. Some modern authors use the open-ended story as a genre for sparking their readers' imaginations, where the task of the writer is not to solve the problem, but to ask deep questions without answering them, usually speculating on the human condition. It is a favorite in speculative fiction, which is an end of sci-fi genre, commonly found within the dystopian, apocalyptic, or post-apocalyptic worlds in order to highlight the existence and the danger of political corruption and social crisis. Classic examples are Brave New World by Aldous Huxley, George Orwell's 1984, Ray Bradbury Fahrenheit 451, or Margaret Atwood. The Handmaid's Tale is set in an alternative time and narrated by the protagonist, the handmaid, a dystopian novel and a work of speculative fiction. Now a TV award-winning series, imagine that. The story cuts off abruptly and then moves to the epilogue, set in the year 2195 as a historical audio diary that was found in Bangor, Maine, and transcribed into a manuscript. So, wow, you made it this far, my friends. Yay! Just remember, most book series do not fit in just one category or another. You can have a mix of recurring theme and characters like the Twilight series, Jason Bourne, Star Wars, or Harry Potter. And that is good news, my friends. The writing universe is an unlimited potential to explore. However, I recommend threading the same theme and motifs throughout your multi-book story. It creates much needed cohesion. So, what are some of the themes that weave in throughout your favorite book series of all time? Do other themes appear in single books in the same series? If so, which ones? Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss my next video. There will be 3 easy steps before you outline your next book. So, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to my channel now if you haven't already done so. And seriously, it makes a difference and helps me to continue delivering this amazing kind of content. You may also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Goodreads, and Amazon. Links posted here below. Book number 1 of my book series Legends of Astria is available now on Amazon. Go buy it. Ciao!